Welcome. We are going to create a book talk. For your book talk, you need to create a speech that will last 2 to 4 minutes, include an introduction, a body, and a conclusion, and give this audience a sense of what the book was like without giving away any spoilers. Why should we do a book talk? Well, it's an excellent way to practice speaking publicly, and that's what this unit is all about. It gives you a chance to share a book you've read, and it also gives you a chance to encourage others to read the book by giving them some information about it and letting them know what you thought of the book. So what should you include in your book talk? Well, you need to choose a book that you have read recently. You need to give just enough plot to interest the listeners, but do not give away any important spoilers. And once again, do not give away important parts of the book. You should highlight what makes the book unique. Read excerpts from the book. And it's always a great idea to end with a cliffhanger, so people are going to want to find out what happens and get them to pick up the book. Now, if you want to make the book talk more interesting, I guess you could say, you want to add some pizzazz to it, I'm going to have each of you create a s'more to go along with it, to give it a little visual emphasis as you're doing it. Here you'll see an example of a s'more created for the book All the Bright Places by Jennifer Niven. Sorry about that. All right, now this is a s'more, and this is created to promote the book All the Bright Places by Jennifer Niven. You'll notice that it allows a person to add some great audio and visual elements. Here you can actually show a trailer of the book, and it directly links to YouTube. You can add in a summary, just some text information. It lets you give some visual elements as well. On this example, you notice the use of color and contrast with the fonts, right? Here at the top, you get to see the book cover, because we all know that books are judged by their covers. Again, the video element is here. Then I was able to include a link to Goodreads. So if you click on this, it'll take you to the Goodreads website, and people can read other reviews by others about the book, which is kind of cool. Some more elements of the book, a quote from the book, pictures of what maybe the characters might look like, another quote, some other visual representations of the book here. And then this is a link to an audio site, and this is a song that is kind of linked to the book, and it has a lot of some of the same ideas that are in the book. But then there's also this really cool link to this website called 8 Tracks, where someone went in and created a playlist that goes along with the book, and you can click on that and actually get that music to kind of go along with it. And then this one ended with some other books that are similar. So maybe either if you've read these books before and you know you liked them, you might like this All the Bright Places, or if you do like All the Bright Places, these might be some that you would like as well. So that is an example of what that would look like or could look like. And now you're probably saying, great, but how do I create a s'more? And it's very simple. All you need to do is go to the website smore.com. So it's https://smore.com. And because I already have an account here, I don't have to log in, but you would just create a new account, and each new account allows you to create up to 3 flyers for free. That's what these are called. They're called flyers. And it's really simple to do. I can't create a new flyer because I have already used my um, limit. But if you go in here, I can kind of show you if you want to create it. It gives you lots of different things. You can go in and change your background to any of these really cool options. You can change your fonts. You can change the colors. You can go right in here, and that's how you would change the text. You can go in here and decide, show them kind of the layouts that you want, and go in here and say, I want to add a video. Click on any of these plus signs and you can add pictures, plain text. You can add a picture gallery. You can add audio, video. You can create a link. That's what I did with the Goodreads one. So it's very simple. It's fun to play around with and to see what you can get. You have an example here to my Smore, so hopefully that'll give you a good idea of how to do it. And obviously I will be around to help you if you need help. Good luck.